When it comes to nighttime eating, one of the most debated questions in health and fitness is whether protein or carbohydrates are better to consume before sleep, and the real answer depends on your goals, lifestyle, and how your body responds to food. Protein at night is often highly recommended, especially for people who work out, lift weights, or live an active lifestyle, because sleep is when the body repairs muscles, rebuilds tissues, and recovers from daily stress. Slow-digesting protein sources like casein, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, eggs, lean chicken, tofu, or even a light protein shake provide a steady release of amino acids through the night. This supports muscle growth, prevents muscle breakdown, and helps with recovery, which is extremely beneficial if you want to build strength, maintain lean muscle, or improve overall fitness. Protein also helps control hunger, meaning you're less likely to wake up starving or snack late at night, which supports weight management. On the other hand, carbs often get labeled as bad at night, but that isn't completely true. Carbohydrates can actually help improve sleep quality by supporting serotonin production, which promotes calmness, relaxation, and better mood. For people who suffer from stress, anxiety, or restless nights, a small portion of healthy complex carbs like oats, whole grains, fruits, or sweet potatoes can help make sleep deeper and more restful. Carbs are also very important for people who train intensely or do endurance workouts because they help replenish glycogen stores, preparing the body with better energy for the next day. However, problems arise when people consume unhealthy carbs before bed, such as sugary desserts, fried snacks, fast food, soda, white bread, pizza, or heavy late-night meals. These spike blood sugar, disturb digestion, increase calorie intake unnecessarily, and may lead to fat gain over time. So instead of asking protein or carbs, which is right, it's better to ask what you want to achieve. If your goal is fat loss, muscle gain, or better fitness performance, protein at night is generally more effective because it supports muscle repair and keeps hunger under control. If your goal is improving sleep quality, reducing stress, calming the body, or recovering after intense workouts, then a small serving of complex carbs can be very helpful. In reality, a balanced approach works best for many people, meaning a combination of both protein and healthy carbs in small portions, like yogurt with fruit, eggs with whole grain toast, chicken with a small portion of rice, or cottage cheese with berries. This supports both muscle recovery and relaxation at the same time. Portion control is extremely important because nighttime eating should not feel like a heavy meal unless your schedule truly requires late eating. Ideally, nighttime snacks should be taken 60 to 90 minutes before sleeping so the body has time to digest, otherwise it may cause bloating, discomfort, heartburn, or disturbed sleep. Hydration also matters because sometimes people mistake thirst for hunger at night. Another important factor is listening to your body. Some people feel great with protein at night, some sleep better with a little carbs, while others prefer not to eat at all before bed. Everyone's metabolism, routine, and lifestyle are different, so the best choice is the one that supports your health goals without stressing your body. Instead of fearing food at night, think of it as an opportunity to support better health. Protein helps repair, protect, and build your body, while carbs help relax, refuel, and calm your system. Choose natural foods, avoid junk late at night, be mindful of portions, and align your choice with your goals. That's how nighttime nutrition becomes your strength, not your weakness. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video, comment your thoughts or next topic, and subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss future health tips.